Bluetooth connection of course, isasalpak nyo lang na ganito like parang charger nyo lang. Kung nagbabalak ka rin bumalik sa wired earphones kaya lang naka-type C na ang inyong cellphone, don't worry, meron ako marirecommend sa'yo na new design ng wired earphones from Besus. And ito yun guys. Ayan, so aside from their audio jack na earphones, ay meron ding available na ganito guys, naka-type C connector siya. This is very compatible sa ating cellphone, especially sa mga nagsisilabasang cellphone ngayon is talagang lahat is naka type C na lang and wala lang audio jack like this. That's why bumili din ako ng sarili ko. Madali na tong gamitin guys kasi wala na kayong kailangan pang i-open na Bluetooth connection of course. Isasalpak nyo lang na ganito like parang charger nyo lang. So, check nyo lang yung phone nyo dito and ayan, so sa akin is may lumalabas na headset symbol. Ibig sabihin connected na and ready to use yung earphone na to. So this is perfect guys for calls, watching movies, music, voice recording, ganon. Kasi maganda rin yung quality yung mic niya. If you want this to also, i-check lang yung product link sa baba.